Hey all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Yep, as you can tell by that thumbnail, whatever else you clicked on, today we're going to take a look at something else by K-Bar. And this is their Mark 98-R like Romeo folder. This is their second folder that they've ever done. Now everything else that is on their web store they have in collaboration with somebody else. This is their second folder. You may remember that we brought the original Mark 98 to the channel, and take a look right up there. If I'm smart enough, I'm going to remember to leave a card for the K-Bar Mark 98. I thought that one was interesting, and when I saw this one, I went, okay, it looks really damn familiar. Now, I like pocket cleavers. I have been getting into them recently, but the handle shape and the two-tone G10 scales are exactly like the original Mark 98. So basically, to me, all K-Bar did was swap out a blade. Okay, so let's get into the stats, the fun, and everything else like we usually do. I will say it feels good in hand. I do like how the flipper acts as a buffer right there, but you also have that little deep chorl, so you can get in there and get fine carving work if you have to. It does have a good look to it, but I expected more from K-Bar. K-Bar is a legendary company, but still. It's got an overall length of about 8.05 inches. The blade's about 3.5 with a cutting surface of 2.75. The handle comes in at about 4.75 for itself. It's got a minor weight to it of 5.2 ounces. After a bit, you're not going to feel it in your pocket. Initially, you're going to know it's there. Now, it is done in the cleaver style with a plain edge, as you can clearly see. Now, according to Blade HQ, this has a flat grind. According to K-Bar, it's a hollow grind. You go with what you want. Now, here is the problem that I have. This is why I've expected more from K-Bar. It's 5CR 15 MOV. Now, granted on the back, okay, good. It says it right there. But when you saw it, like on Blade HQ, it just says stainless. And when you saw it on Amazon, it just says stainless. Okay? This is my problem. K-Bar's Crowvan steel is legendary for blade retention, corrosion resistance, just a whole bunch of neat things. Add $10 to the price, and in my opinion, you'd have a much better blade. We do have a stainless steel frame, as you can see there, with a liner lock. And it locks in there pretty freaking secure. With that loud snap getting in there. And yes, you do have to give it a bit of assistance with a little flick to get it really locking in. Now, like I said earlier, we do have the black and brown G10 scales. I do like the two-tone look. It is kind of different, kind of nice. But yeah, there's only, well, one way to carry it. Right-hand carry, tip up or tip down. They didn't do anything for left-hand carry. So basically pull it out, swap it around. You get to have it on whichever way you want on the right-hand side. Like I said, it is a flipper open. It is made in China, but designed in the USA. Alright, let's get on with this. We're going to do some cut tests. Now, we usually only do 3. And why do we do these 3? Take a look right up there. There's a card for why I do these cut tests. Alright, heavy-duty stock paper. Not bad by that. A little bit of snowfall. Let's see if we can get a curlicue. Ah, see, that's on me. Oh, I'll take that. I'll take that. Now, the reason why I like to do those curlicues, I should say, the reason why I do it that way is because anyone just come across and go, sharp. But if you maintain that same angle, go really, really slowly right across, that paper should turn back in on itself. That's to show you there's no pits, chips, micro whatevers. It's just a neat way. All right, we're at that point. The river's revenge. I'm actually scared. It's 5CR. Okay. That shocked me. Really? No, it's just part of something. Okay. That wasn't bad for a pull test. I actually expected to smack the camera again. You can see it's healed up, Bill. Alright, slice. Not bad. Especially for 5CR. That's not bad. He's back. Mr. Ratchet Strap. I swear I keep waiting to get a court injunction. I know it's going to happen. Alright. Check that blade out. Really don't see anything. Got a little bit of paracord right there, but no big deal. Okay, so I did the homework on this guy on March 23rd, 2022, and it's currently March 24th, 2022. I looked on Amazon, K-Bar, where I bought it, and Blade HQ. On Blade HQ, it's $21.95. On K-Bar, it's $30.12. On Amazon, it's $33.38. But what struck me, there was no picture of the blade. It just said no pick available. So I don't know if somebody's putting up a weird posting. It was a scam post trying to get your money. I don't know. But I've never seen something on Amazon say no pick available. I know some of you have, but I haven't. Alright, now we're at the best part of the video for me. Seriously, it really is. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, and anger. All that fun stuff right down below. Do you think this one is a noise or an F-bomb? Noise or an F-bomb? Better steel, I carry it every day. 5CR, thanks for the video. That's how I feel. Okay, so if it made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do any of that during this video, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to help show love and support for the channel and help trigger that algorithm. We are growing, and that's because of all of you, and I'm deeply, deeply appreciative of every one of you. Especially you first-time viewers of my channel. You are really what makes things special. Hopefully I've earned more of your view time, but if not, thank you for that time you gave me today. Now, for you first-time viewers of my channel, you long-time guys who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Please leave me a comment right down below, and let's see how we can implement that into a future video. Now, whew, sorry, caffeine fit. After you've got all that fun stuff out of the way, please take a look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up in just a minute or two. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that out of the way, please, if you so choose, destroy that little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing supporter, every single time that this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos out there that we love so much on YouTube, two will be popping up somewhere over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the K-Bar Mark 19-Romeo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and I'll see all of you in our very next video.